welcome everyone. In today's lesson, we will talk about health and illness from vocabulary in use elementary level. Demak, keling o'rganishni boshlaymiz. Sog'liq va kasalliklar haqida. How are you today? Demak, hol-ahvol so'rash uchun so'raladigan savol bu. Ahvolingiz bugun qanday? I'm very well. Ya'ni bu degani I'm like yaxshiman, juda ham I'm fine degani yaxshi. I don't feel very well. Degani ahvolim unchalik yaxshi emas. I feel ill. Man sog'lig'im demak kasalman demoqchi. Can you get a doctor? Tabib chaqira olasizmi degan ma'noda aytyapti. That fish was bad. I think I'm going to be sick. Bu yerda I want to vomit, ya'ni o'sha manimcha kasal bo'laman. U baliq menga yoqmadi va qusvoraman demoqchi. Qusvorish, right? And everyday problems. Have you got an aspirin? I got a headache. Men e'tibor beramiz, ko'pchilik headache deydi. Bu headache. Ya'ni o'sha boshim og'riyapti, aspirin bormi? Ya'ni bizdagi o'sha trimol deydi-yu. I got a toothache. I need to go to the dentist. Bu ham toothache, tish og'rig'i demak. Dentist bizda stomatolog. I'm going to bed with a hot drink. I got a cold. Shamollab qo'ygan bo'lsa, bizdagi o'sha har xil soda parashovlar, right? Insti, right? O'shalarni ichmoqchi. Problems people have for many years, all their lives. I get hay fever every summer from flowers and grass. Hay fever bu nisbatan anaqaga ishlatiladi. Mana so'raydigan bo'lsak, allergiyaga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Taxminan chunki bu yerda mana flowers, gullar va o'sha travadan olinadigan allergy, mana it makes you sing, aksirayadi va qichishadi, burni anaqa bo'lishi mumkin. Особенно bahorda, right? Ayniqsa mavsumiy allergiya, o'sha senil lixoradka, pichan allergiyasi. And my little brother has asthma. Sometimes he can't breathe. Asma kasalligi bo'lishi mumkin va bu nafas olishga xalaqit beradi. Illnesses in hot countries. Demak, issiq mamlakatlarda mosquitoes can give people malaria. Malaria bu juda ham kuchli kasallik hisoblanadi va masalan, if you ask what is malaria, Googledan so'raydigan bo'lsak, malaria bu hayotda даже anaqa qiladigan, xavfga soladigan kasallik hisoblanadi va odatda o'sha nima deydi, kamarlar deydimi, chivinlar tashiydi bu narsani. The drinking water was bad and many people had cholera, not cholera. Ya'ni bu odatda ichimlik suvini tozamasligidan kelib chiqadi. Afrikaning ko'p davlatlarida bu bo'lgan yoki umuman qayda ichimlik suvi toza bo'lmasa, afsuski shu holat kelib chiqadi va bu juda ham anaqa kasallik, yaxshi emas. Like, and if you look at the like pictures people have, it's not good. Serious illnesses, kuchli kasallik degan bo'lsak, og'ir. Every year cancer kills many people who smoke, right? Cancer. Ya'ni rak kasalligi demak. My father had a heart attack. Ya'ni o'sha yuragi anaqa qilishi, nima deydi? Heart attack o'zbek tilida hozir esimdan chiqib qoldi. Ну, yurak pristupi deymizmi? Infarkt. Adashmasam, да, вот, yurak xuruji, да, вот, сердечный приступ. So, and we have here, my father went to hospital when he had a heart attack. Mana bu yerda savol, do you have a healthy diet? Ya'ni juda ham yaxshi savol. Dietangiz, demak, taomlanishingiz yaxshimi? Do you exercise? They're really good for you. And I feel stressed. Really, do you relax and what? Mana bu yerda demak mashq qilib bor ekan. Let's now try to, man javob berishga harakat qilaman. Mana bu vocabularylarni ishlatgan holatda. Okay? So here we go. Yeah, I think that's enough. So first question is, do you have a healthy diet? I can say, yes, I do. I eat lots of fruits and vegetables and I drink water every day. What exercise do you do? I like walking. Most people do not think walking as an exercise, but I feel like this is the best exercise anyone at any age can do, as it's accessible to everybody. Do you often feel stressed? Well, I do get stressed from time to time, but I try to take over it as soon as possible, because usually taking a nap or taking a shower helps me to overcome that. Aytayotganda, ya'ni dush qabul qilish yoki ozgina uxlash menga yordam beradi damoman, right? Have you ever been in a hospital? Yes, for sure. I had my medical checkups, and I do visit a hospital. The last time I went to it was dentist. because I had a toothache. Do you get hay fever in summer? No, I don't. Thanks God that I don't have any allergies. So, and I'm very, grateful for that. So that's it. Demak, bu temani o'rganib bo'ldik. Xudo xohlasa next time lesson 7 o'rganamiz elementaryda. Thank you so much guys. Har bir o'rgangan so'zingizlarga gap tuzishga harakat qiling. Mana menga o'xshab va speaking practice qilishga harakat qiling. Imkoni bo'lsa mana bu exerciselarni ham o'zingiz uchun qilganinglar yaxshi. Mana bu yerda mana treatment bu yechim, illness esa kasallik degan ma'nolarni anglatadi. So, thank you so much guys and have a good day. All right? See you.